In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ebook to Shopify. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Once you're on your dashboard, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need, then open the Apps section. From there, go to All Recommended Apps and continue through to the Shopify App Store. We're going to use a trusted delivery app so your customers get their ebook automatically after checkout. In the App Store, search for Digital Downloads File Monk. When you see the app listing, open it, click Install, and confirm the installation when Shopify prompts you. After the app adds to your store, you'll land on its welcome screen. Go ahead and select Get Started. If you're just testing or beginning, choose the free plan and click. Subscribe to activate it. Next, upload your ebook to the app so it's ready to connect to a product. Click Upload File, then Upload Files. Choose Browse Files, select your PDF ebook from your computer, and confirm by clicking Upload One File. A quick tip here, use a clear file name like the title of your ebook so it's easy to recognize later. Also, make sure your file size fits within your plan's limits and that it's the final proofed version. Now let's create the product page your customers will see. Back in Shopify, open Products and click Add Product. Enter a clear product title, write a helpful description that explains what the buyer will get, and add a compelling cover image that matches your brand. It helps to mention that this is a digital download in the description so there's no confusion at checkout. When everything looks good, click Save to create the product. With the product in place, it's time to attach the ebook file so it's delivered automatically. On the product page, open the More Actions menu and choose Upload Files. This opens the File Monk product view. Click Upload Files, choose Browse Files, select the same PDF you uploaded earlier, and confirm with Upload One File. The file is now linked to this product and will be sent to customers after they purchase. That's it. The ebook is set up. From here, you can preview your product page to check the title, image, and description, and make sure everything reads clearly. When you're ready, publish the product. After a customer completes checkout, they'll receive a secure download link managed by the app, so fulfillment happens automatically. Keep your original file safely stored, and if you ever update the ebook, just upload the new version through the app and it will